Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 India launch likely on February 14th. World's biggest rocket soars in maiden test flight. Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus prices leaked. Today is February 7th and this is 360 Daily. Do subscribe to the Gadgets360 YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you're the first to know about our new videos. Redmi Note 5 India launch date is pretty much confirmed to be February 14th. Although it was initially speculated that the Redmi 5 will be launched in the country, new information reveals that it won't be the entry-level Redmi phone, but it will be the Redmi Note 5 instead. The Redmi Note 5 model has so far been spotted in some early leaks and recently received 3C certification in China. It will be the successor of the Redmi Note 4 that is claimed to be the top-selling smartphone in India in 2017. The world's most powerful rocket, SpaceX Falcon Heavy, has finally blasted off on its highly anticipated maiden test flight carrying CEO Elon Musk's cherry red Tesla Roadster towards an orbit near Mars. Screams and cheers erupted at Mission Control in Cape Canaveral, Florida, as the massive rocket fired its 27 engines and rumbled into the blue sky over the same NASA launch pad that served as a base for the US missions to the moon 4 decades ago. Samsung Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus are expected to be the most expensive smartphones in the Galaxy S series lineup yet. Now, a new report claims that the phones will be expensive by £100 over last year's model. It says Galaxy S9 might start at a price of £789, which is roughly 70,700 rupees in the UK, and presumably $850, which is roughly 54,500 rupees in the US. Likewise, the Galaxy S9 Plus might come in at a starting price of $950, which is roughly 60,900 rupees in the US. While no reports for pricing in the Indian market have emerged yet, the Galaxy S9 is expected to have a starting price of more than 65,000 rupees and the Galaxy S9 Plus price might start at 70,000 rupees. In other Samsung news, the company is set to light up the race with its all-new dual camera solution that will bring bokeh effect and low light shooting even to budget smartphones. The new solution, which will combine Samsung's ISOCELL dual image sensors and proprietary software, is touted to enable the same image-taking experience on mid and entry-level smartphones that has so far been exclusive to premium offerings. Lenovo has recalled its 5th generation ThinkPad Carbon X1 laptops due to a potential fire hazard. The company says that some of the laptops may have an unfastened screw that may lead to a damaged battery, which may eventually cause overheating and other fire issues. The laptops that are affected were manufactured between December 2016 and October 2017. Lenovo said that it will offer a free service inspection program for all affected ThinkPad X1 Carbon 5th generation laptops. The number of affected laptop units is estimated to be 83,500. You can head to the Lenovo website to check if your laptop is under the recall. UC Browser version 12.0 is now available for download via Google Play, and it does have new features and optimizations with a big focus on videos. It claims to save up to 50% data when viewing videos as compared to the previous version, with the aim of offering a no buffering video experience. There is a new video preview feature as well. Additionally, in a new multitasking feature, users can watch a video and browse at the same time. And that was it for this edition of 360 Daily. For all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.